Hi guys, so it is Raven and this is Kason. We actually did already open these boxes for him. We just picked him up a day and a half ago, so he's still a puppy, and he's been amazing. First I'll open this, and it looks like this. You see what you got, buddy? You like it, Kason? Look. Again, we already opened these, so he's already played with these toys, but I wanted to put them all back for you guys just to show you. Kason, look at this. So I did get the 6-month one, and I got an extra toy, and the extra toy was this snowman, which is really cool. And buddy, look. And then it also comes with this. Hold on. Let me make sure he doesn't get any plastic. Okay. And so it came with this peanut butter kebab stick. And the other one actually came with it too. The other two ones was this Lucy pulled pork and Frankie famous lamb chops. Boy. And then the next toy that it came with is this Snoopy, which is really cute. Hey, you want the toy? I think it's so funny. He's like, all these toys, and he's like, nah, I want the box, Mom. And then the last toy and the big one that I got was this little guy. Yeah, this smaller one. I believe it's the same theme as the bigger one, but I put the trash of the other kebab stick in here because I wanted to remember what else it was in here. So it was the same stick as the other time. And I'll get these treats out of the way. So the first treat is this good beef that I got. Well, he got. And then it has good duck chuck. Good boy! Good boy, Kason, good boy. And then the last two things are, this came with a little house. I have that in his crate. I'm gonna get that really quick. I'll put these treats up too. I'll be right back. It was this, and it came in a house. Oh, you like this, Kason? Here you go, buddy. But yeah, you just put like the tiny Snoopy in that little house. He's really enjoying that. And but yeah, those are what I got in my bark boxes. And this is Kason. Hi. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.